How to download Roblox Studio on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download Roblox Studio on iPhone. First, navigate to a web browser on your phone. Now search for Roblox to visit their website. On the site, you need to log in to your account. Next, enter your credentials to continue the login process. Once logged in, it asks you to continue to their app or in a browser. To continue in a browser, go to the Create tab to open the Creator Hub. Then swipe up to the page menu and select Request Desktop Website. It will show you the desktop preview. After that, tap on the download button and confirm it. Once downloaded, you can use it on your iPhone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.